Hey beauty, if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you've seen my thumbnail and title. I'm just going to show you how I was trying to crochet the hair in my head, and this is the braid pattern I used, and this is the hair that I used. Is from Youngther. It's their pre-made crochet butterfly locks in the color 613, and I used the illusion method, and I'm just going to show you how I was trying to crochet the hair in my head, and then we're going to get into why this video was an epic fail. Hey beauty, so I was trying to do my hair, trying to get this video done for you all. I ran into a little problem with this hair, and it sucks because I wanted to try something different, but look at the loops. I opened up the rest of the packs of hair, and I was only able to find like 10 locks where I could get the loop through, but these loops are extremely too small, and the hair around it is too tight, and I can't even pull it down to widen the loop. So to this brand, I'm sorry, I can't get the video done. Here's the brand. Now, I did use this brand with their spring twist hair in my first butterfly lock video where I did it myself, and that hair was cool. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend ordering this hair because you're not going to be able to crochet the hair into your head. So a little suggestion to the company, I think you should make your loops a little more wider and open, so you can be able to crochet it through your hair. And then when you do crochet it in your hair, you got to be able to put the lock through it. They're well made, but it's just the loop that's messing it up. So I'll see you beautiful ladies next time. Always remember, you are wonderful, you are amazing, and you are beautiful. Until next time, peace, love, and unity. Peace out.